What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how this part of the Gambia looks currently in the year 2025 plus. It's already rainy season here in the Gambia, so I'll be showing you how this part of the Gambia looks called Fajikunda. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you how this local community of Fajikunda looks the Gambia. Yeah, anyways viewers, so guys, so guys, here is called Buvazon Johnson, and then I will take a turn on my right hand side, which is here. Yeah, this will lead me to deep inside Fajikunda and some parts of Talindi. Yeah, this is the Gambia for you. Your boys working here in this part of the Gambia, showing you guys the real life here. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in this neighborhood of the Gambia. Guys, let me get on that other side. I just want to get a good view for you guys. So guys, the thing is, like, the more I keep on walking straight the way I'm facing, it will lead me deep down, deep inside Gambian local communities. Yeah, right now I'm inside a Gambian local community. Yeah, and guys, it's also rainy season here, but it's been like 3 days since the rain has last come. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in this part of the Gambia called Fajikunda, showing you how this local neighborhood of the Gambia looks. Yeah, and then guys, as I said earlier, it's already rainy season here in the Gambia, but the last time it rained here was 3 days ago. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is how it looks in this part of the Gambia. And then if you watch the video till here, make sure you like the video, give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, this is how the real life looks here. Hope you guys are enjoying what I'm getting for you here. Guys, now I'm getting into Talinding. Yeah. Guys, there's a music playing the way I'm walking towards, so I will just try to walk as quickly as possible to avoid copyright on this video. Hope you guys are enjoying what I'm getting for you here in this part of the Gambia. Yeah guys, I begin this video from Bufazon Johnson. Now I walk through Fajikunda and then now I'm in Talinding. Yeah, and this is how it looks here, and then I will soon end this video. Yeah. Guys, this is deep inside a local Gambian community. Yeah. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. Peace. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Fajikunda and some parts of Talinding, Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace.